Hello and welcome to this video on the most commonly asked questions about automatic watches. If you're looking to purchase an automatic watch, or if you already own one and want to know more about its functioning, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be covering everything from how to choose the right automatic watch to how often it should be serviced. So, let's get started. Question: how do I choose an automatic watch? When choosing an automatic watch, there are a few factors to consider. First, think about your budget. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it. Automatic watches can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the brand and the materials used. Next, consider the style of the watch. Do you want a sporty look, a dressy look, or something in between? Do you prefer a leather or rubber strap or a metal bracelet? These are all important factors to consider when choosing an automatic watch. Finally, think about the movement of the watch. There are several different types of automatic movements available, each with its own pros and cons. Consider the reliability and accuracy of the movement, as well as its maintenance requirements. Some of the most reliable automatic movements include those from Seiko, Vostok, Citizen, and other well-known brands. Question: what is the most reliable automatic watch movement? There is no single most reliable automatic watch movement, as the reliability of a movement can depend on a variety of factors such as the quality of the components, the manufacturing process, and the environment in which it is used. Some of the most highly regarded automatic movements include the ETA 2824, Salita SW200, Seiko 4R35, and Miyota 9015. These movements are known for their accuracy, durability, and ease of maintenance. Ultimately, the best movement for a particular watch will depend on its intended use, design, and budget. Question: how long can automatic watches last? The lifespan of an automatic watch depends on several factors, including the quality of the materials used, the level of maintenance it receives, and how often it is worn. On average, an automatic watch can last anywhere from 10 to 20 years or more with proper care and maintenance. Question: what is considered accurate for an automatic watch? Accuracy for an automatic watch is measured in terms of deviation per day. Most high-quality automatic watches have a deviation of less than +/10 seconds per day. This is considered very accurate for an automatic watch. However, it's important to remember that even the most accurate automatic watches may experience some deviation, as they are affected by factors such as temperature, humidity, and shock. Question: what should you not do with an automatic watch? There are several things you should avoid doing with an automatic watch to ensure its longevity and accuracy. Firstly, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, such as hot showers, saunas, or very cold weather. Also, avoid exposing it to strong magnetic fields, as this can affect the accuracy of the watch. Additionally, avoid exposing the watch to water, especially if it is not water resistant, as this can cause damage to the movement. Question: do automatic watches stop when not worn? The short answer is yes. automatic watches can stop when not worn for a while. Automatic watches rely on the movement of the wearer's wrist to keep the mainspring fully wound. The amount of time the watch can run without being worn and rewound is known as power reserve. It is dependent on the movement, the design, and the size of the watch's mainspring. If the watch isn't worn for an extended period of time, the mainspring can unwind and the watch will stop running. However, this can be prevented by using a watch winder. A watch winder is a device that rotates the watch in a circular motion to simulate the movement of the wearer's wrist and keep the mainspring fully wound. Question: do all automatic watches last forever? No, all automatic watches do not last forever. Automatic watches, like all mechanical devices, have moving parts that can wear out over time. Additionally, exposure to extreme temperatures, humidity, magnetic fields or other factors can affect the performance of an automatic watch. However, with proper care and maintenance, an automatic watch can last for many years. Regular cleaning and oiling of the movement can help prevent wear and tear, and having the watch serviced every 3 to 5 years can help ensure that it continues to run smoothly and accurately. Question: should I wind my automatic watch every day? The answer is no, you don't need to wind your automatic watch every day. Automatic watches are designed to wind themselves using the movement of your wrist, so as long as you wear your watch regularly, it should have enough power to keep ticking. Question: how often should an automatic watch be serviced? This depends on the make and model of your watch, as well as how often you wear it. On average, automatic watches should be serviced every 3 to 5 years, but it's best to check the manufacturer's recommendations for your specific watch. Regular servicing helps to keep the movement of your watch in good condition and ensures that it continues to run accurately. Question: can I overwind an automatic watch? In most cases, it is likely that you are unable to overwind a modern automatic watch. Automatic watches are designed to stop powering the mainspring when it can't be wound anymore. The winding mechanism will simply decouple from the mainspring when it is fully wound, winding into infinity. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding automatic watches. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.